Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of Jame's Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. And I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing for you. I am so excited about this. And this, it's really funny. I think people are kind of torn on what they think about this. And in fact, I even seen, I think it was Nancy Carnes did something about, because this is animation, this is Louis Vuitton, it's the Christmas drop. She had said something like anim, like MEH, Asian. And I'm like, no. Oh my gosh. I love the animation drops every single year. I have not always been able to grab something from them, but I have, and I was just, I was thinking.
Oh boy, she was thinking.
No, I was gonna show you what I have.
Gratuitous butt shot.
And stop it. I thought that I had them out here, but all of them out here, but I know I'm missing one. And I'm trying to think of where it is.
Maybe it's by that smush penny. Or you found the smush penny.
There we go. Okay. So I thought what I'd do is show you what I already have for animation. And I was able to pick up this bag charm, and I got this either on Fashion File or the Real, because at the time I wasn't able to get it. It's a little bent. I know they do this so you can eat up. No, I don't know why. I know they bend, but
it's a large tiddlywink.
I don't care because it's awesome, and there's Vivian right there. And then I missed out on this one. I wanted this so bad. And I have been waiting and waiting. I'd never gotten anything from Damien Azir as far as the little mini pochettes go. And this came out, and I wanted it in the worst way, and I didn't get it. There was no way. This one's so awesome, too, because it's got the, like, hot pink interior. And
what else was that in there?
The dust bag for it.
Okay.
This reminds me of a place we have nearby called Leon's. In fact, we had that for supper tonight. It's like a drive-in with a car where they have car hops. Granted, I know this is Hollywood, but it reminds me of Leon's. So I wanted, doesn't it? Yeah, he's shaking his head, yes. I wanted the Leon's one so bad. And so I was able to get this, and I was super, super excited about it.
Best frozen custard ever.
At Leon's, yeah. So then, I think this was the year, then finally I had a year where I could get something. And I only got one. I may get the summer one at some point because they have a summer scene and a winter scene. I got the winter scene. I'm in Wisconsin. And I got the clay, and then the interior has the pink inside. And like I said, I may get the summer, but these are always more the normal price, and so I thought one is good. I'll allow myself one. So I got that one. And then last year, they had this one where they put things on both sides. There was the front, and there was the back. And then this one had the light blue interior. And I want to say there was a pink one as well.
One for a boy, one for a girl.
Yeah. So I got just one. And I am telling you, with this collection this year, I would have liked to have gotten a few more things. I was super excited to get a notice that there was a pre-order. I first reached out to the sales associate, Becca. She was Autumn's sales associate, and I contacted her before to get things, to try to get some items from this drop, and I never... I told her what I wanted, but I haven't heard from her. So, and that's probably because I don't buy a ton from her. Well, I probably would buy more if they had what I wanted, but I didn't hear from her, and all of a sudden I got a notice from LV that pre-orders were available. So I jumped on the site, and I grabbed this. It was the thing I wanted the most, and then I couldn't get the other thing that I wanted, which was fine, because at least I'm so excited I got this. And I haven't seen anybody show it yet in person, so I'm really excited to open it and show it to you all. So I'm just going to open this, not how it's probably supposed to be opened, but here we go. And I'm like, where it look? At first I just saw this, and I'm like, where is it? Okay, so
You bought an empty box.
it looks like I must have got some of their makeup, maybe, or
Those are chocolates.
I don't think they're chocolates.
Aw.
Looks like I got a couple of things in here. It's like Christmas. You got presents. Okay, so the LV Rouge, which I believe is the blush. It's right there.
It's a fidget spinner.
No, it's not a fidget spinner.
Oh.
And is this just talking about the makeup?
It's a gift card.
Oh, yeah. Just gives you information on the makeup. So that was nice of them. But who am I kidding? I want to get to the package. So, I'm just going to set that down. Here's my receipt. And you can probably guess what I got, or pretty close to what I got, just by the size of the package.
It's a Speedy 67.
Yes. No.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, so this opening here. No Christmas wrapping. I don't even know if that's a thing yet. This is usually a blank card in case you want to gift it, and then you can open it and put your own message on it, which is a nice little touch. I'm all about the color. We know this.
I thought you were all about that base.
No, this color, just a part of this color, just,
Which part?
you'll see. Just please be good.
We're waiting.
I know. I'm looking.
Cheater.
Can't see it really good from here. So I got the clay. And look at the, like, lavender periwinkle color. It just speaks to me. There's that. There's the other side.
Just what you need is more.
Okay, we got cut off. I got a phone call. My phone always stops it, but I don't know if you were able to get the color, if that was on there before we went or not. Can you see it?
Yep,
at all?
kind of a periwinkle like that matches
The person on the front.
Yeah.
Here's the, oh no, I don't, is that the code? I'll show that. People always show the codes.
Except nobody could see your codes. You put them way too fast.
Sorry, and it was the wrong code.
Okay.
Here's the code. So there's the code, but I wanted this periwinkle in the worst way, and if I can, I make it something else from this, because there's something about this color. I love fuchsia pink. I do. But there's something about this color, which is very similar to this color, that I just absolutely love. I saw that color and I'm like, oh yeah, I like that. I think I asked Becca for this in the coin purse, and I was also looking at the passport cover, which I don't need for. I mean, I have a passport. I don't need it, but I just wanted more of the blue color. I love this. I am super excited by this. This is beautiful. This just reminds me of Wisconsin, because it's cold, and you know, we have little paw prints all over the place, and snowflakes and squirrels all the time.
Kind of appropriate for you.
Yeah, I know.
Squirrel!
I know. Look at them. They're just, oh, and just look again.
So is that Vivian or that person?
Yeah, that's
okay.
Vivian.
So she's on every one?
Yeah, I'm trying to think of who. I think she's. Yeah, I don't know who that bear is, if he's anybody. I know there's, what is it?
Is that Cocaine Bear?
There's like, is Steph something, a boy, but he's not here. And then there's another girl called, I want to say Petunia, but that's not it either, but it's something like that.
Petulance?
Yeah. Patience. No. Oh wait, I don't have that. But I miss when they did more detailing like that.
A little more to the scene.
Yeah.
Versus just slapping some
Oh
characters
yeah, there's
on there.
the other girl. But you know, it looks like they're going to this way. And I know some people really like that because then you have the front and the back. So you are getting about the same amount of silk screening. It's just that it's on both sides now instead of just one. But I am telling you, this color, this just speaks to my heart. I may get more from this just because I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Something about that color. So be more, maybe, if it becomes available. I know, was it last year's and the years before, they sold out at first and then they came back and there were tons of them. So I'm hoping that that might be the case, that I might be picking something else up. But well, what do you guys think of the animation this year? I was really excited. As soon as I saw that color, my eyes go right there and all the rest is gone and I'm super happy and I think it's the coolest thing ever. If you don't, that's cool too, because I love how we all have different opinions about stuff. But yeah, what did you see that you liked? What didn't you like? Are you getting anything from there? Just let me know.
I'm gonna get the Family Guy one.
There is no Family Guy one.
Oh, I thought you said there was all kinds of different animation.
Okay, no, that's no. Okay, anyways. So I think the cameraman is supposed to be the silent camera.
That can be arranged.
No.
That's called a tripod.
Yeah, no, you're fun. So, that's what I have for you guys today. I was just so excited. I couldn't wait to open it and show you. So, if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I do put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and they are generally contemporary and luxury handbag related videos. I also do some contemporary. I do show my small leather goods, things like that. On Monday nights, I'll do a bag swap video where I swap from my current bag into my next week's bag, and then I'll give you a little bit of information about what I'm switching out of and switching into. And I'll switch out all my small leather goods and let you see those and talk about that as well. On occasional Thursdays, I do book-related videos. I had said every other Thursday, but I've not been reading quick enough or grabbing enough books anymore to have them done every other Tuesday or Thursday. And then I was trying to do every third Thursday, but like even right now I'm looking, I may do one this coming week because I might have enough to show. But yeah, I guess it's just going to depend. But if you see a video from me pop up on a Thursday, it's going to be a book-related video. I know that's not for everybody, so if you see that and you don't want to see the books I get, then you don't have to watch. Although some of the books I get are so gorgeous. They are beautiful. They are like works of art. That's how I got into reading again. I started seeing some of these people doing hauls of the books they were getting, and they were so pretty, and I'm attracted to color and the pretty stuff. And so, yeah, I do them on Thursdays occasionally. So, if you haven't found me over on Instagram, I'm there as well at James Jam. It's just JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
And end scene.